Titles in business are considered very important. President, Vice President, CEO, and CFO. The same thing holds true for law firms, senior partners, members, and associates. But did you know that there is one title in a law firm that can cause great confusion and sometimes affect insurance coverage? The title is of counsel. I've been told, ask 10 lawyers the definition of counsel, and you'll get 10 different answers. At some point, we can discuss and try to narrow down a more specific definition of what an of counsel actually is. But today, I'd like to focus on the term of counsel and how it may affect your legal malpractice insurance coverage at retirement. Most policies provide what is called a free retirement endorsement when an attorney actually does retire from the firm. Usually, there are a few requirements that must be met in order to qualify for that free tail. However, on some policies, of counsel attorneys are not eligible for the free retirement tail strictly because they are titled of counsel. This usually is not an issue for a sole practitioner, but it can cause great concern when you're talking about law firms with 2 or more lawyers. I have seen instances where the firms with 3 or 4 lawyers will give the title of counsel to the founding member of the firm with no consideration of how this could affect the founding member's coverage, his or her estate's coverage, or the retiring attorney's financial condition or position during retirement. Usually the change to of counsel is a result of the attorney working less hours, nothing more. In this case, it seems a shame for the attorney to lose coverage and in some cases not be able to get that coverage back simply because of working less hours. So before changing anyone's title to of counsel and printing new letterhead, check your legal malpractice insurance policy. Contact your insurance broker and ask them for an interpretation of the coverage. Make sure the change to of counsel will not affect the retirement tail coverage. Who knows? Maybe it won't have any change to it at all, but then again, maybe it will. Always better safe than sorry. Thanks for listening, and remember, I'm Don I, your insurance guy.